The year was 1979. Russian gunships and tanks were bombing everything that moved. The bombs did not differentiate between men, women, and children. It was the beginning of a bloodshed that was to cost Afghanistan over 1.5 million lives. The only country that successfully pulled Afghanistan out of this war was Pakistan. Not only the Russians were forced to pull back, but the Afghan people were also given shelter in Pakistan. Under an Islamic tradition that dates back 1400 years, the hosts of Afghan refugees in Pakistan made sure they were taken care of in every possible way. Afghans were provided jobs, businesses, education, and most importantly, a life. But now, the minds of Afghans are being polluted by an entity that has long been wishing for a rift between Afghanistan and Pakistan. An entity that was ruled by Afghans for centuries. An entity that now aims to change the rules of ruling. Indian theorists have been looking for ways to isolate the landlocked Afghanistan, and now they have come up with something workable: distance Afghanistan from Pakistan. With increasing rift between the two countries, Afghanistan will be left with no option of having a sea trade route. There will hardly be a neighbor that Afghanistan would depend upon, and there would hardly be a diplomatic lead that would voice for Afghanistan in the brutal international politics. It is now time for the people of Afghanistan to realize that it is Pakistan only that has all the elements of support in the longer future. They need to be thankful and avoid falling into the Indian trap of backstabbing Pakistan.